Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech Solution channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to search an email on your Outlook. So guys, for that go to your Outlook. Now you can see there is a search option. You have to tap on it. Now you can see there is mail option and people option and event option. You have to all just do it. You have to search here the mail name or the event name or the people account. So now I am enter here the mail. You can see there is all the search mails that I have searched. So guys, that's it. So guys, this is very easy to do. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.